Hi, this is Adrian Ficcioni from AxSys Performance, and this is another video from our AxSys Analysis Dashboard series, with today's focus on our team session splitting function. So I've selected the session that I'd like to split, and in this case there are 4 athletes. Now we haven't assigned athletes to units, and so currently the 4 players are all named demo. So I've already selected the first player, and all I did was click on view on the right hand side, and that's then brought up their speed graph and their heat map data. What I'll now do is I'll now select several splits which I understand to be representative of all the players in this session. So I've selected 4 splits. As in a previous video, I can change the split name to warm up or any sort of particular part of the session or type of session that I'm doing. But in this case, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back up, and you can see there's a button called Choose Players. Now at this stage, I want to apply these splits that I've done for this one player to the rest of the players in the session. So I click on Choose Players. It then highlights the athletes, so I can select the athletes that did the same session, and I can unselect athletes who may have done something different. Apply the splits. Yes, I'm going to apply these splits. And now what happens is that the session has been processed, whereby we still have the same information from the first player, but now as I scroll down, we now have the 4 splits and we have the 4 athletes with all of their individual data numerically for each of those splits. If we continue to scroll down, we then have in descending order some of the key metrics that were completed by each of those players. So we have total distance from the highest distance to the lowest. We have high speed running, accelerations, decelerations. We have body load, we have impacts, and we also have SLR, which is the sport load rating score. Now at that point in time, if you're happy with those results, you can then export the data either as a PDF or export it to Excel for further analysis and sending to the appropriate coaches and players.